Today we're going to show you how to install our laptop stand to a desk. This is the base. This is what we call the slide. And this is what we call the rib plate. And those are the major parts that we're going to discuss. And in here are all the little tools and parts that you would need. First, we're going to take the small wrench and we're going to loosen this just like that. Next, we are going to grab the 4 black screws and we're going to attach the wings to the rib plates. So you want it to be able to slide. So you want to open up your computer. You want to slide the front of it underneath. And we need the room behind it to attach this plate here. While holding the wings, you want to slide it around the monitor, and then you want to adjust the wings in as tight as they'll go around the monitor itself. Okay, and then we need to mark this position on the wings, and in this case the wings are lined up perfectly with the end of the rib plate, so therefore we do not need to really make any marks. We know that that's where it needs to be tightened down. This keyhole here, there is a large screw right there. We want this screw head to go into that keyhole right there. So we're going to repeat that step. We're going to have it go into that keyhole, and then you slide it forward. So now this is in the keyhole. The next step is we push the slide up against the front of the computer, and we're going to mark where it is on the slide. See, here's the marks that we made. So we're going to line that up right with the front of the plate, and we're going to tighten up these screws here. The next step is where we're going to position your computer onto your desk. If it's particularly dirty or has lots of oil on it for whatever reason, use both of the alcohol wipes. You get it nice and even, and then you gently let it go down. You want it to go down at an angle. That kind of keeps the bubbles out. Once it's down, you want to press on it with your weight and work it towards the side that you dropped it down to. Okay, now we're going to tighten up the wings onto the rib plate. And you'll feel the screw itself seat itself in these little grooves here. Same thing on this side. Now, place your laptop in the front of the base. Center it. Slide your wings around the outside. And now you want to do that keyhole thing. You want to make sure that the screw drops into the keyhole. You want to push it forward so that it's locked into place. It's not going to move. Then you take your lock, put it in the hole, and you turn it until it's snug. Do not over tighten it. It does not need to be over tight. And then once you have it snug, you pull the key out. The key will only pull out in certain positions. So if you're trying to pull it out and it won't come out, turn it back a little bit, and you're gonna and also it'll remove. That's part of the security feature of it. And you're done. You know, your laptop will go nowhere.
Proof this way.